When you take a journey through a book, don't forget to notice and note the signpost. 3 big questions. 1. What surprised me? 2. What did the author think I already knew? 3. What challenged, changed, or confirmed what I knew? Contrast and contradiction. When you are reading and the author shows you a difference between what you know and what is happening in the text, you should stop and ask yourself, what is the difference and why does it matter? The answer could help you see details that shows you the main idea, compare and contrast, understand the author's purpose, infer, make a generalization, notice cause and effect. Extreme or absolute language. When you are reading and you notice the author uses language that leaves no doubt, exaggerates, or pushes to the limit. When you are reading, you should stop and ask yourself, why does the author say it like that? The answer will tell you something about the author's point of view and purpose. You might realize the author is exaggerating to make you think a certain way. Numbers and stats. When you are reading and you notice specific numbers, number words or amounts, you should stop and ask yourself, why did the author use those numbers or amounts? The answer might help you come to a conclusion, make a comparison, see the details, inferences, find facts, or recognize the evidence. Quoted words. When you are reading and notice the author quoted a voice of authority, a personal perspective, or cited others' words, you should stop and ask yourself, why did the author quote or cite this person? The answer will help you think about the author's point of view, purpose, bias, or conclusions. These words will give perspective, facts and opinions, or a generalization. Word gaps. When you are reading and the author uses a word or phrase you don't know. When you are reading, stop and the author uses a word or phrase you don't know. You shouldn't ask yourself, do I know this word from someplace else? Does this seem like technical talk for experts? Can I find clues in the sentence to help me? The answers will help you decide if you need to look the word up, or keep reading for more information.